Good morning. Brandon with Town and Country Garage Door here. Today we are installing two overhead door thermocore garage doors, 16 by 7 and an 8 by 7 with high lift. So we have 2 days scheduled. We have operators as well going in. So we're gonna take our time, just get it done correctly. We're about, as you can see, it's only about 15 minutes from the shop. So I will see you on the job site. Alrighty, we are pulling up to the job site right now. As you can see, our dock truck right there with all the doors on it. That's my brother pulling in. So we are about to get this one started. Where do we want to put these? Off to the side, right? Guess we can put it right here. Or... It's a little too straight up for me.
Put it this way, because either way we're going to have to open it up.
Okay. Right down. Push your horses forward. Very careful.
Funny. What's up, YouTube? It's time to get locked in this person's garage for 24-hour challenge. Let's go, baby.
Alright, that's not going in. That's not making the cut.
It's going to the TikTok cut.
Oh no, it might be.
Yeah, use the quick connect on disconnect on this one.
You should be able to use the operator. This is gonna be wild. Oh, that's gross. There we go. Yes. All right. Oh, this is gonna be a good before and after. Bang. 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 Oh yeah. All right, you're good. Did you bring the
Speaker? Nope.
Oh, come on now. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna These set screws are awful. Oh, that is not good. There's gotta be lights in here.
There's lights right here.
One. Oh! They're too big for my ratchet.
So you need 7/16.
I would need it.
You don't?
Oh. Oh my god, it spun.
Your ratchet just sucks.
Okay, there we go. And we're off. And we're off. Easy peasy. Had it covered. I dropped it. It's not wall. It is. Yes, no issues. Huh? Oh. Where am I stuck? I should just go. And then down. Pow, pow. It's the Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Hold on. You know what I'm talking about? It is the wildest music video in the world. Because on Saturday, Carly and I watched a movie, and the movie was uber depressing. And we did not know that.
You didn't like that?
No, it was not. Like, we were watching, it's called The Star is Born.
Okay.
And like, we thought it was like kind of like The Greatest Showman-esque type of movie. Like, Lady Gaga's in it and Bradley Cooper. And at the end, it's like, I don't know. It was not a good movie. Did not like it. Come on. Stay. I'm just gonna throw them on the back and we can organize it later. Awesome. Kidding me? There we go. Look at all the space that I'm doing. You just hold it. So I glue it.
No, I didn't do, that one came out. So usually I just have that one sitting and then I can just pull it down. Their strut is so nice to put on. It's like they have it set up so there's like a divot for the text to go into. So they don't slip and slide around. All right, now I'm ready. You have to go to your side. Oh, you're just going. If you want, just come walk back in. Zooey Mama, the center hinges. I'm even. Or what direction do you need to go?
A little left. That's even for me.
Alright, yeah, that's pretty much even for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, then take this off. Okay. Ready? Yeah. That is so heavy. Oh wow, this glass is huge. Sideways. Are you? All right. All right. Okay. Do you want to get a better position? Come over my way. Pretty swag, pretty swag. How are we looking? That says it's right side needs to go up a hair. Double check. And right side needs to go up just a hair. Stay. How much do I have this side up? I didn't see this. Okay, hold on. It's too much. Right there. Right there. Where'd that level go?
Level?
Oops. Together. We are level there. It's oh, we gotta be kidding me. There we go. Level. That high lift is so nice though. Like if all you have to do. Oh, am I stupid? Way farther back. Huh? There we go. Rest in peace, Ribnecks. Both Ribnecks, that's epic. Okay. Soldier in the land of America, suffering aroused. I got it. Shaft.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
I'll be right back. Alrighty, so for the rest of this video, I'm going to be talking and giving you a little voiceover of what I'm doing. I didn't really talk a lot in this video since it's kind of the first time I did this, so I was a little nervous just trying to figure it out. So hopefully in the future videos I'll be talking, explaining what I'm doing, and having more conversation to make it more enjoyable to watch. Right now we're just putting up the counterbalance system, or the springs as I would refer them to. And we're just going to get them in the head plates. You know, this shaft was actually too long, hence why I cut it down earlier. So, like I said, I had to cut it down so I could make sure that so it's a tight fit. So what happened here was the springs actually got stuck on the shaft even though the side screws were off. So I had to have Aaron come over to the other side, help me push it over so we can get the springs right where they needed to be. And now we use 3-inch legs on this one because there's actually a drywall over the stud. So to make sure you're going through that drywall and deep into the stud, you want to use 3-inch legs so the springs don't come off the wall. As we've actually seen, the spring line has completely fallen off and ripped out of the wall multiple occasions. The springs fall off. You don't use those 3-inch lags. Now what we're doing here, on the ground I loosely put the springs together just to make sure everything doesn't, you know, go all over the place while we're putting up here. So I'm just tightening those. These are the stationary sides of the spring, so this side of the spring is not supposed to move at all. And on the outsides you have the winding cones, so that is where you wind the springs. Now getting to the winding, as you can see I'm twisting it with my hand because I want to make sure the spring is in the neutral position. So I want to twist it too far so the spring wants to come back down on me. That way I know that's where the spring's neutral position is. You know, it's not wound opposite, so when I think I'm putting 7 turns on it, I'm only putting 6.5. So when I wind a pair of springs, I always draw a line because I learned on commercial, so it's a lot easier to count, you know, 7 lines instead of 28 quarter turns. It's just inconvenient. And right here I'm putting a vice grip on the door because when you're putting tension on springs, you don't know if they measure the door correctly, and you'd rather be safe than sorry. So when you're checking those springs, you don't want to be too fast, and then that spring comes up on you. And then if you saw right there, I noticed that the cable actually had slack from where it was set, so I had to redo that. I wanted to hit the spring because you're always supposed to have a little bit of stretch so the spring doesn't end up binding on itself. So that's why you hit the spring right when you're tightening it, and you don't want to tighten the spring too tight to the shaft, or else you're going to dent the shaft and potentially cause damage to it. Now I'm just on the other side, winding the other side. No different than the right side, you know. Now I'm just putting the tension on that side. And for the last part, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to check the balance of the door here. So I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to bring it halfway. You know, I'm going to make sure I feel comfortable with how the door feels in my hand. You know, I've been doing this for a while, so I know how a door should feel, if it's too fast or too slow. So now this is the end product for day 1. So we have the left door, or the 2-car garage door, running. And on the right side, we have that door stacked. It's a high lift door. It takes a little longer. So on day 2, we come back and we'll finish that up. I already have that one recorded, so I hope to see you then. Thank you for watching, and like I said, I'll see you next time.